R44 Fossil Helicopters, my name's Courtney. I'll be your pilot today as we go down to the London Bridge. We're going on this little internal camera here, so you can give yourselves a wave hello. So feel free to ask me any questions along the way, guys.
So cool. Wow.
Alrighty, as we cross the coastline here, we'll split the Apostles in two. We'll have 2 on the right and 5 on the left. Coming up on the right here now, we have the Muttonbird Island. Large green-topped island here gets that name because muttonbirds migrate here every year. So
Wow.
They make a 30,000 kilometre journey from Alaska to nest here.
Amazing view.
Yeah, it really is. Best way to see the coastline.
I'm actually enjoying this weather here. It's almost like I'm in Microsoft Simulator.
But real.
Yeah. Oh, look at those waves. Sensational.
Yeah, I should see it on a big day. It's very calm today.
Really?
Yeah.
I think you may have the best job in the world right now.
Not too bad, definitely not complaining. A lot of fun. Coming up on the right here we have Sentinel Rock. It's the tallest in the Port Campbell National Park, stands about 200 feet tall, which is about 60 metres. This is Port Campbell. The port has about 600 residents, and in the peak of summer can get over 1,000 visitors staying per night.
Oh yeah, I can see the Lifesaver Club. We were just down there this morning.
Oh, wow.
Cool.
This guy had a really nice wave down there.
Yeah! Got it. Bit keen going over to the rocks there though. Oh, you gotta set up paddleboard.
Oh, wow. Good work.
Yeah. Oh, there's 2 other servers out as well. Must be just big enough because it's pretty small for this area. Oh, there's some more people down here.
Yeah.
So this is 2 Mile,
Yeah.
and it is actually famous for the large swells it gets, even though today it looks very flat. It attracts surfers from all over who get towed in by jet ski on the big days.
Wow.
Any sharks?
Not many. So I've worked down here for about a year and a half, and I've seen one.
What kind of shark, you know?
It was really big. I don't know.
Nice. Wow, I think, is that seaweed or something?
I would say seaweed.
Yeah, probably.
So we're coming up to Point Hess. If you have a close look right on this first point here, you'll see a set of stairs cut into the cliff. Done in many years ago by fishermen. Right on this first little point, that little slip.
Oh yeah.
Set of stairs.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
And next up is London Bridge. So this one here is London Bridge. It used to be a double-spanned bridge connecting to the mainland. But in 1990 the bridge collapsed and it left two sightseers stranded on the outer portion of the rock. They had to wait about 3 hours to be later rescued by helicopter. Oh dear. Also guys, I'll put you on the internal camera so you can give yourselves another wave if you like. Woo! Excellent. And there's London Bridge on the left.
I can't see any bridge.
Ah, so see that you can see through it? So
Oh, that little hole in the rock?
yeah, so that piece of rock used to be connected to the mainland, so it was a double bridge,
Yeah.
Okay.
but it
Yeah.
fell down.
I think I remember hearing that on the news actually.
Yeah?
How long ago was that?
28 years ago.
A long time.
Yeah.
I like the rain on the front.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's
it looks
beautiful.
cool, hey? Seriously.
And the ocean is big.
Sure is. So where are you guys from?
Brisbane?
Brisbane?
Adelaide,
Adelaide?
originally Canada.
Excellent, I'm from Brisbane as well.
Hey, another local.
Is that one of the apostles straight ahead, or?
No, so that one's
Oh, that
called
was- Yeah, sorry, no, you go.
Sentinel Rock. So the Apostles are only a 2-kilometre stretch of coastline. So everything else along the coast here has its own name.
Yeah, that one you said was about, something.
60 metres tall.
That's right, yeah. Oh, is that further on to the right? Is that the apostles down there?
Down there, yeah.
Down there.
Yeah.
Is there an air traffic controller nearby?
No, so it's just aircraft to aircraft down here.
You have a special code name?
I am Zulu Victor Hotel.
ZVH.
Yeah.
Okay. that a little river through there?
Yes, that is the Sherbrooke River. So that'll open up and flow to the ocean when we get some more rain.
Wow, that'd be interesting.
It doesn't go crazy.
Yeah, alright.
So we're back to Muttonbird Island here. Kind of looks like a seahorse.
Yeah.
And then in behind that is Lockhart Gorge. So you can get down to the beach at Lockhart. Definitely recommend checking it out. It's a beautiful spot down there.
Well, they're going fast.
Oh, wow. Now that's...
They're going the same speed as us.
Yeah.
Really.
Opposite direction.
What speed are we doing?
So we're doing about 200 kilometres an hour.
Oh, wow.
And now we're on to the Apostles. So this one here is Apostle number 1.
Whose house is that?
I don't know.
It's really green.
It is, yeah. Must have watered during the summer. So now we're up to 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 is the little short one. And then 7 is closest to the lookout. So that's the 7 apostles. The 2 that you see on the other side lookout here are not actually apostles. They're called Gog and Magog.
Wow.
You know what the reference for Gog and Magog is?
I don't. Do you?
I believe it's a biblical reference of a certain region in the Middle East.
Wow.
It would go with the 12 apostles being a biblical thing as well.
Yeah.
Cool. But I'm not, don't quote me on that.
Alright.
But Gog and Magog vaguely sounds like that.
Sensational.
This hotel for sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Make it a bit quicker.
Great landing.
I haven't landed yet.
Wow.
Almost a great landing.
Pressure's all down.
Yeah. Alright, there we go, guys. Well, thank you very much for flying with us.
Thank you very much for the flight.
No worries. I have put you on the...
Fantastic.
Good. Glad you enjoyed it. And just one last wave
Oh,
to
yeah.
the camera. Awesome. Thanks very much, guys.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.